can do fourth. That was a bump. Woo! I had to really slow that one down. Wow. So guys, it's been a little while. I looked at my my YouTube channel, and it's been a month since I posted my last video, which is a long time for me to not post anything, especially with it being summer. So, and it's funny, I actually tried to film a video a day or two ago, and my GoPro settings were all messed up, and so I had to scrap that whole video. But that doesn't matter, we're back out here, and so we're gonna go for a little ride, and I'm gonna film some stuff and talk and do my normal thing, and then you guys get to come along with me. This is new. I got one of the Righteous Stunt Clutch, their trigger series, the one finger trigger series. So this thing's pretty sweet. I've been riding with this for like a couple weeks now, and it works pretty good. Gorgeous out here, dude. Oh, that was a bump. Woo! I had to really slow that one down. Here's our entrance. So obviously I'm on Supermoto tires like usual, so we'll see. It kind of gets a little rough up when you get up a little higher, so we'll see how far I can make it. But I want to show you guys something cool up here. Well, the gate's closed, but this isn't closed. Oh, there's a deer right there. Don't run in front of me, buddy. Don't run in front of me. You're good. You're good. Do I just follow this deer now? Hopefully he doesn't try to like jump off the cliff or something to get away from me. Where is he going? You're good, bro. He's trying to get the hell out of here. I've never seen a deer up here. That's crazy. Oh, don't jump off the cliff, buddy. You're all right. Okay, I don't know where he went, but hopefully he's good. Okay. All right. All right, now here's where things start to get a bit rough. Just a little bit. Yeah, it's a little steep and rocky, but as long as you keep your momentum up these sections, you're usually pretty okay. Whew, it's just tiring. You're moving around a lot. Oh boy. Now I get to rest. Sit down for a minute. Oh. So it might be cut off somewhere up here. I don't really know, but we'll find out here. Wow, it's really overgrown. This is crazy out here, dude. Oh, it's cool through here. I've always loved this kind of look, like almost like dead. Wow, there's a lot of downed trees. That's crazy, bro. It gets really tight through here. Jeez. Okay, new tip for riding off-road or just in general. Visor down, because I just head-butted a butterfly with my eyeball. So if I can make it through this trail, who knows how long it's been since someone came out here. Ooh, but there's trees marked. It's kind of wet though. This is where you get in trouble on Supermoto tires. If it's wet, bro, that's not good. So now I actually can't see very well out of my left eye because I got hit with a butterfly in my eyeball. Right. Wow, yeah, it's really tight through here. So no one's been on this trail in a while. Jeez. It's really overgrown. Oh, wow. So I definitely got my eye totally fucked up from that butterfly. My left eye is now destroyed and it burns, so that sucks. But on the other hand, I could still see pretty okay. It's been a month since I posted, right? And the reason for that is, the first reason was a ride I went on with my buddies, and I'll show you a short clip that should explain why I didn't ride for a little bit. Also, check this out. Is he blocking the... So yeah, that happened. Then I quit my job and I'm starting a new job now. So that's taken up some time. Then I went on vacation. I went to California for like a week to visit some family. And now I'm back. And I feel bad because, you know, I checked today and I have 379 subscribers. So that's quite a few people. I think it is. Like, that's a lot of people, right? That you guys took enough, you know, time and energy out of your day to watch my videos. You like it, so you subscribed. And then I didn't put out a video for like a month. So I kind of feel bad. I feel like, you know, I owe you at least that much, at least a video, you know, every once in a while, not once a month. That's kind of crap, you know, depending on the project and how long it takes. But I can post stuff like this all the time of me riding and doing whatever. So those of you that are subscribed, or even if you're not subscribed, I do post a lot of stuff on my Instagram that I don't post on YouTube, just because it's easier. Like if I'm doing a shorter video, like I'll post shorter videos on there that you know, I don't spend like 2 weeks on editing or whatever. So like just like quick little like stunt clips, or I'll do like the Instagram reels. And I do photography now anyway. I started doing photography recently because, you know, I got this new camera. So I post a lot of my cool, you know, well, I think they're cool. I post a lot of shots on there if you guys like photography, but I post a lot of my stunt riding stuff on there too. So like, you know, you guys can see that stuff. And then I have some plans for a video in the near future that is like something that I really want to do. It's kind of a big project that I'll need help with. So like, I'll need help like with the filming. So I'm going to use this camera, but I need help for filming. And I've got some new gear, some new riding gear and things. So check out where we are. This is pretty cool. Check this out. All right, well, there's a lot of bugs out here, and it's gonna get hot, and I'm really far out, and I'm alone. So I'm gonna probably go back before I get killed by a grizzly bear or something out here. I'll see you guys on the GoPro in a second. Okay, and we're back on the GoPro. You know, I think I realized that I'm better at speaking in my videos when I'm riding and I'm filming on my GoPro and not the other cam when it's facing me. Oh, this tree is low. Oh! Yeah, fourth gear is nice. Fourth gear is nice and mellow. I can do fourth. Oh! Alright guys, well, I think that's going to end the video. I'm heading back home now. I've got stuff to do. But, like I said, I wanted to make a video because it's been like a month. And I feel that I owe that to the people that are subscribed to me at least. So thank you guys for subscribing. You guys are awesome. Again, check out my Instagram if you want to see like other cool videos and stuff that I do and photos that I don't post on YouTube. So check that out. And thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace!